Hi, I'm Christy Fontanilia of FAS Bookkeeping and Tax Services. Can you name three things that differentiate a failed business from a successful business? According to the survey conducted by Intuit, the company that owns QuickBooks, companies who are likely to fail are those that don't have financial visibility that help them in managing their business. So what are those three things that differentiate a successful from a failed business? I call it financial reports. So we're talking of the balance sheet, the income statement, or also referred to as the profit and loss, and the cash flow statement. So I'll quickly talk about each of these three financial reports. So the first one is the income statement or the profit and loss. Income statement or profit and loss tells you the financial results of your business. So you look at the revenue less the cost of goods sold, which is the direct cost you incur in providing that product or service, less so the cost of goods sold less the revenue is equal your gross margin less operating expenses is your net profit or net loss. So that's the profit and loss. The next one is the balance sheet, which tells you the financial position of your business. So you have all the assets on one side and then the liabilities and equity on the other side. So the assets are those that you use to produce or generate revenue for the business. So you have cash, receivable, inventory, all the fixed assets or equipment that you use in your business. And then on the other side, you have the liabilities and equity, which are considered as the sources of funds that you use to purchase the assets to generate the revenue for the business. And then lastly is the cash flow statement. In the cash flow statement, there are three categories. You have cash flow from operations, cash flow from investing, and cash flow from financing. So this is just to illustrate the three financial reports that I mentioned. So this is a sample company, and what we will do is, so we're using the QuickBooks Online here. If you go to reports, and then these are the various reports that you can run. And let's try first the profit and loss. So the profit and loss, and then so what we do is we change the date depending on what period you want to run and want to see the report. So let's do last year, which is 1/1/2020 to 12/31/2020. So you can use either the cash or accrual basis accounting, but for most of the small business owners, they use the cash basis accounting. And so here you just run the report and you will see here so all the income first. So this is the total income, your cost of goods sold, and then all your operating expenses here, and that gives you the net income. So what I normally do, what I normally do is try to fix the format here. So I would see all the negative amounts here. So you can see here, this sample company has a net loss of 1.8 here, 1,800 here for the period 2020, for the full year 2020. So that's how you can run the report. And if you want to like look at it on a regular basis, you can always just save customization and then just click save here. So you will see that when you go to your reports and then go to the custom report, you will see that you have this report already. Now let's go to the balance sheet. So the balance sheet is, again, this provides you the financial position of your business. So if we go to, again, last year, and then cash basis, and then run report, and then let's try to format this report. So here, so you have all the assets, which is your bank account, your other current assets, your fixed assets, and then on the other side you would have the liabilities and equity. So all the liabilities here, credit cards, all the other current liabilities, and then if you have a loan that's going to be or long-term loan, then you will have that under long-term liabilities, and then of course here is your equity. So this tells you how much cash you have, if you have receivable, the asset that you use to generate revenue, how much you owe other people, and this is your net equity in the business. So these are the 3 key financial reports that every business owner must know and understand to better manage their business and be successful. Again, I'm Christy Fontanilla of FAS Bookkeeping and Tax Services. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.